After a degree in science, Deepak Mehta joined his father's chemical business.
So my father was mostly busy. I ended up trying to run Deepak Nitrite. So then on came an option for Deepak to grow both organically and inorganically, acquiring some businesses, creating new businesses. We moved into products which were agro intermediates, pharma intermediates, increasing our exports to almost 50% of our turnover.
But even as Deepak Nitrite started to grow internationally, Deepak Mehta realized that the true opportunity was elsewhere.
We did try quite a few acquisitions. One of these companies asked me, why do you look at Europe? We grow at just 2%. In your country, you grow at 12%. And I started thinking, are we belittling the opportunity that is there in India? One of the businesses that we looked at was a product which was in the petrochemical space. The plant was put up 5 times larger than any of the local players, Deepak Phenolics.
Today, with a group turnover of over 4,200 crore rupees, Deepak Nitrite has grown even during the challenging times of the pandemic.
So we had planned to make this product called IPA, one of the main ingredients of a sanitizer. We were just getting the plant to be mechanically complete, and then the pandemic struck. Ports were getting jammed, equipment were stopped. We ended up bringing our best people, keeping the collaborators constantly on the Zoom. The team did an exceedingly good job in commissioning of the plant. We could successfully do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Deepak Mehta.